Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of August 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.03. Now let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 5.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.22% to 32.11%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 66.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 46.35% to 198.49% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $536.56 and $1,094.35. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy includes the headline, "Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock still a buy after falling 8.77% on Friday?" The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price decreased by 8.77% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, dropping from $401.86 to $366.63. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.28%, reaching a day low of $365.99 and a day high of $392.64. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 13.37% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, with 12 million shares traded. Though this occurred amid declining prices, indicating a possible early warning signal and a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 22 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $7.9 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price is 32.48%, or $176.37, below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the symbol MSTR, has recently posted encouraging second-quarter results with robust sales that have prompted analysts to boost their earnings forecasts. The company reported an impressive operating profit of $14 billion, primarily driven by a favorable accounting rule change and significant gains from its extensive Bitcoin holdings. Michael Saylor, the executive chairman, highlighted the company's aggressive Bitcoin accumulation strategy, which has positioned MicroStrategy as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. The management raised its Bitcoin yield guidance to an ambitious 30% for the year, with aspirations for substantial earnings growth if Bitcoin prices reach $150,000. In contrast, the cryptocurrency sector has experienced volatility, as demonstrated by the sharp decline in shares of Coinbase following its underwhelming earnings report. This backdrop may favor companies like MicroStrategy, which present potential upside with their Bitcoin exposure. The positive earnings and the elevated Bitcoin yield guidance indicate a promising short-term outlook for MSTR. Increased analyst ratings could attract bullish investors, potentially driving the stock price higher. In the long run, the company's strategic positioning in the cryptocurrency market, combined with continued Bitcoin appreciation, could solidify its growth trajectory, further enhancing shareholder value. The stock's current market net asset value multiple also suggests a favorable entry point for new investors looking to capitalize on this emerging digital asset landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity also gave MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Barclays also provided MSTR with a hold rating and a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to MicroStrategy stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed a strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels close to $397 and $402. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025, and the stock has since declined by nearly 20%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock warrants closer monitoring. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal observed 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal indicated 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal noted 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, was detected 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, emerged 63 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $364.25. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $26.65, representing a change of 7.28%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.26%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $369.51. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy encounters its first support level at $364.25. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of July, 2025, Peter Brigger Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 220,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the same day, Fong Lei conducted an insider purchase of 5,500 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Also on that day, Jared M. Patton conducted an insider purchase of 5,555 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the same date, Janine Montgomery conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Lastly, on that day, Andrew Kang conducted an insider purchase of 2,800 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.863. In total, insiders purchased 378,164 shares and sold 256,234 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stop, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 4th of August, we expect MicroStrategy to open higher by $8.46, starting at $375.09. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.